On May 29, 2024, Sweden announced its largest military aid package to Ukraine to date, valued at approximately $1.3 billion. According to an official press release, the package is primarily focused on strengthening Ukraine's air defense capabilities and meeting other critical defense needs. The centerpiece of this aid is the donation of airborne surveillance and control ASC-890 aircraft, commonly known as the SAAB 340 AEW and C or SAAB 340 Erieye. Ukraine has reportedly taken delivery of the first of 2 Swedish aircraft, a move that could draw significant concern from Russia due to its potential impact on the regional air surveillance balance. The Swedish aircraft was spotted making its initial test flight over the Lviv region in western Ukraine. According to reports from Ukrainian news outlet UNIAN, the aircraft operated at an altitude of around 3,000 meters, flying a clearly visible pattern that was tracked by open-source flight monitoring platforms. It was identified under the call sign "Welcome." In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Ukraine getting Swedish SAAB 340 Erieye will be a significant boost. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Airborne Early Warning and Control. AEW and C systems are vital assets in contemporary military operations, providing extended situational awareness, improving battle management, and enhancing command and control functions. Among the AEW and C platforms developed globally, Sweden's SAAB 340 Erieye stands out for its cost-effectiveness, solid performance, and operational flexibility. Adapted from the civilian SAAB 340 regional turboprop, this military variant integrates the advanced Erieye radar system, transforming it into a capable airborne surveillance and coordination platform. The aircraft's primary mission is the long-range detection and tracking of aerial threats such as aircraft and missiles. Serving as an airborne radar outpost, it significantly extends the sensor coverage beyond the limitations of ground-based radar systems. Inside the aircraft, onboard operators coordinate air operations by guiding friendly aircraft, assigning targets, and managing the battle space in real time. In effect, the platform serves as a flying command center, a critical asset in joint air defense missions, high-tempo combat scenarios, and large-scale military exercises. The SAAB 340 is a twin-engine turboprop aircraft originally developed in the 1980s as a regional airliner by SAAB AB in cooperation with Fairchild Aircraft. Designed for short-haul routes, the aircraft became known for its reliability, rugged construction, and relatively low operational costs. Although production ceased in 1999, over 450 SAAB 340s were built, many of which were later converted for various military and special mission roles. The first SAAB 340, equipped with the Erieye active electronically scanned array radar, took flight in 1994. The Erieye radar is the heart of the SAAB 340A, EW, and C platform. The radar, developed by Ericsson now SAAB Electronic Defense Systems, provided a unique side-looking design, allowing for optimized performance without requiring a rotating dome. This innovative radar technology turned the humble SAAB 340 into a potent airborne surveillance asset. Erieye radar is a solid-state pulse Doppler ESA radar operating in the S-band, 2 to 4 GHz, frequency range. The fixed side-looking arrays reduce maintenance as there are no rotating parts. Erieye radar provides 120-degree coverage on each side, total of 240 degrees. Look range, up to 280 miles or 450 kilometers against large targets. Detection range, 185 miles or 300 kilometers for fighter-sized targets. High update rates for fast-moving threats. Tracking, 300-plus air and sea targets simultaneously. Look-down capability detects low-flying targets even in cluttered environments. The system includes track while scan (TWS) capability and supports electronic countermeasures (ECCM) to resist jamming and deception. The aircraft's onboard systems include identification friend or foe, IFF interrogators, data link communication systems, and electronic intelligence ELINT capabilities, making it a versatile asset for both military and civil applications. The original versions featured basic radar and communication systems. Over time, SAAB introduced upgraded configurations, which include Link 16 as well as enhanced ESM suites. Airborne early warning and control aircraft are among the most valuable and costly assets in any Air Force's inventory. These platforms act as critical force multipliers, especially for combat aviation, by extending sensor coverage, improving situational awareness, and enabling coordinated operations across all branches of the military. One of their key advantages is the ability to significantly boost the combat effectiveness of fighter aircraft through real-time command, control, and threat tracking. This is one area that has been an issue for Russia and one of the factors that has prevented the country from gaining air superiority over Ukrainian skies. President Putin's forces rely primarily on a small number of aging Soviet-era Erieye A-50 aircraft, and this shortfall has notably hampered their operational effectiveness in modern high-intensity conflict scenarios. So, this is a crucial development for Ukraine, as this marks the first operation of a NATO-standard airborne radar system. The SAAB 340 Erieye platform is poised to significantly strengthen the Ukrainian Air Force's ability to detect and track Russian aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Unlike U.S. E-3 Sentry aircraft, which operate from outside Ukrainian airspace to avoid escalation risks, the SAAB 340 can fly directly within Ukraine's borders, offering a distinct tactical edge. Operating closer to contested regions enables earlier detection of threats and increases the chances of intercepting hostile aircraft, such as the Su-34, before they reach their targets. Equipped with the Erieye radar system, the platform is reportedly capable of detecting cruise missiles at ranges of up to 100 miles or 160 kilometers, which have been extensively used to batter Ukraine. This capability is especially valuable in plugging gaps in Ukraine's ground-based radar coverage, enhancing overall situational awareness. Though the SAAB 340 Erieye has less endurance and range compared to larger platforms like the E-3, it represents an important step toward greater self-sufficiency in Ukraine's air defense network. If fully integrated into national command and control structures, the 340 Erieye could reduce Ukraine's reliance on NATO-operated AEW and C assets flying from Polish or Romanian airspace and help mitigate radar blind spots across the country.